Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Karishma and first of all happy Janmashtami to all of you, all my learners, all the kids who are watching this video. Happy Janmashtami to all. And this video is the purpose of making this video is only to tell you something about other than English. This video is not about English. However, I'm going to speak in English so it can give you a good listening practice, but I'm not going to talk about the importance of English today. Today, I want to talk about the importance of other things which are mandatory, not only important. See, as we can see that English is a language which is like a global language. Every parent, especially if I talk about the parent, they are very keen to make their kids fluent in English. Every parents want that their kids should be fluent. Their kids should not be hesitant while speaking in English. Their child gain some confidence. And when it comes about confidence, we have personally seen that when a kid speaks in English, it seems like he's a very confident person, confident kid. So but what I feel is that just giving them a good knowledge about our religion is also very important. For example, I still remember, like, I was a 90 kid, you can say that, like I was born in 1989. So I grew up in such kind of environment where we used to celebrate Janmashtami on a very large level. We used to celebrate it with a lots of things. These days, I cannot say that all things are there. Today, what we do, we just dressed our kids like a Krishna. We dressed up like Yashoda, or like just we create pictures and videos and vlogs. This is what all about. But I still remember when we were kids, we used to celebrate. We used to make, or not even make, we used to buy a lot of toys, and we used to buy swing for Krishna. We used to buy Krishna ji murti, and there are many other decorative things we used to create ourselves. We personally, kids, used to decorate everything. But now I can see that not kids are not involving that much into that process. They get everything ready made. The parents are making a lot of efforts for them, and they just get everything ready. They don't need to do such things. There was this competition that who will be like who will get the role of Krishna or Radha in the society, because there are few Janmashtmis which used to be celebrated on a very high level. Just a moment. And there are many Janmashtmis which created by normal people like us at home. Just a moment. Yes. Mama, I don't want to create video. You're not creating video, you're just sitting here. I just give you permission to sit with me, not to create a video. But I want to go and play. Yes, you can go. Okay. So my point is that, like, today we are only running for the things which are not that necessary. We just want our child to be dressed like a Krishna, instead of telling them about everything, like how, why do we celebrate, why do we celebrate Janmashtami. Many kids, they don't know why we are celebrating. They only know that today is Krishna ji's birthday. So what I feel is that not only English is important for the kids to development, to learn, these things are also important. What do you feel? What is your opinion? You can send me in the comment section, because whenever Janmashtami came, whenever the day come, I always feel like, I always remember earlier time when we used to celebrate Janmashtami. There was like literally very great enthusiasm. We used to collect toys, I don't know, from many other shops we used to visit, and there is one toy which was like compulsory, that is called boat. Water boat. It used to be very small, and when we put into the water, it's um, it floats. Thank you so much, Mitanj, for telling me. So it floats really well. But now no one is doing that thing. We only go to the temple. There's a little bit of decoration, not little bit, there's a good decorations in the temple. Today's generation kids, they will never understand the happiness of this day. So today when I was sitting, I was also thinking to dress my little one like a Krishna, and at the same moment I realized, like, I should, first of all, I should tell my elder one that why do we celebrating, how to celebrate, who is Krishna. He should know everything. There are many kids who know, but there are still many children Their parents only running for their kids to become fluent in English, want to achieve all the things which all society people or society kids are doing. We are just copying them actually. We are just copying them truly. This is literally, I feel, that now we are like doing more show off. I feel we believe in show off instead of putting actual things which are required. We are somewhere lacking, I feel. If you talk about me, I tried my best that my son should learn everything about the occasion or the festivals and everything. But my purpose was also the same, just that my should also start speaking in English. I was working hard for that, and that when he was only 3 years old, I tried him to watch Little Krishna in English. I tried many times. Many times I tried, but it's not possible because the language spoken by these cartoons in Little Krishna episode, it was not that easy to understand. There are many difficult words they cannot understand. Even if they're watching in Hindi, they're not able to understand because there are such words in Hindi as well which are very difficult to understand. So what should be the appropriate way to make your kids learning these things? You should have to sit with them. You should have to tell them a story. You can buy a story books, short story books which can help them to learn all these things. Because we are not teaching them since its beginning, it will be too late when we start teaching them, like when they're 12, 13, 14. There will be other life. Teenagers have different life these days. Teenagers are no more kids. They're not coming under the kids now. They are very mature. Teenagers very mature. They know everything. So what I feel is that we should start telling them about our culture, religion, stories, Mahabharat, Ramayan, Krishna, and they are not going to feel very much interested into the TV because Hindi, English, both languages are tough for them at this stage. So you should have to tell them everything in your own language. I tell everything to Mitansh in my own language, like how Krishna was born, who is Devaki, who is Yashoda. He has basic knowledge of all these things, not accurate. So what I feel is that English learning is great. We should make them perfect because they have to compete with the society. In the society, there are a lot of competitions. They have to make their place by themselves, and for that they should have good knowledge about everything, not only about English. Having English knowledge or speaking English is a different thing, and having knowledge about the other areas and then speaking to them in English is a different thing. English is, you should take English as a language, not you should think that it's a kind of something that if your kid will learn, he will be master. I know English is helping kids to improve their communication skill, which is mandatory nowadays. But along with the language, child should have good knowledge about every field, whether it is science, geography, history, a culture, a religion. Everything is equally mandatory. At this moment, I am not going to recommend any show for the kids because I still remember when I allow him to watch few episodes of Krishna, he was not comfortable. But yes, there is another show which is called Sri Ganesha, and it has a good voice, sweet voice. It might be able to understand, but that time I still know that he was not able to understand the English. I will try again. I'm going to teach everything from now on. I'm going to replace all the cartoon shows which he used to watch till now. However, it's very difficult for me because I know that he's not going to leave them in a one go. I need to ask him so many times. I need to request him. Maybe slowly, gradually, eventually he will change. He will change his habits and he will start watching these kinds of shows also. But these are mandatory because now he is 5.5. The moment he'll be 6, I'll try to include one religious cartoon show for him so that he should understand our culture and religion in a better way. Also, he will learn good English vocabulary through that. So ultimately, my goal is also to make him fluent in English. But yes, altogether, like along with that, I want him to good. But along with that, I want him to learn all these basic things, basic culture. So yeah, this is like my this was my feeling, just I wanted to share with you. I'm not having any kind of tripod or something. I'm just holding this phone in my hand. I'm just speaking to you whatever in my heart. I was literally feeling like that we should make them learn about our culture and everything. Dressing up as like them Krishna and just clicking pictures and videos is not just enough. We should tell them the importance of these days. We used to fast whole day. I still remember when I was like not married, I never miss any fast. But since I became mother of two, I don't have that energy. The moment I wake up in the morning, I start feeling like I have to eat something. I have to eat something. So maybe it's because of your busy schedule. You must be tired because working life, professional life, household life, you have to manage many things together. And somewhere you forget all those things you used to do in your past. So they're not watching me. If I talk about me, this is my life. Maybe there are many people who still do fasting and all, and they proper puja and all, but still I feel that one thing is always missing, that childhood Janmashtami, which we have seen as a 90s kids. We have seen that thing still missing. I'm still not able to find that thing, the decoration, that what do we call that, black black mitti jo hoti thi, like what do we call that, treta, or I don't know what do we call that, I forgot the name. We used to spread it on the floor and then we decorate and we make like this, what do we call this? I don't remember. Not rangoli, yeah, sometimes rangoli also. He's helping me with the vocabulary, can you see that? So like I'm still missing those days. I just wish I could go to the past, and I want to live that life again, literally. Still missing. Give me your opinion in the comment section. I would like to know from your perspective, what do you feel, that English is important and knowing our culture is also important at the same time? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the video, and thank you so much for watching.
Or Mama, you can say like, subscribe, and share.
And happy Janmashtami to all of you. You can wish them happy Janmashtami.
Happy birthday, Krishna, and happy Janmashtami to all of you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.